आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 5th July 2020. Now here is a news, COVID news. Still the India is increasing number. The 5,86,244 and recovered cases are 12,82,215. Now state-wise scenario: MP in Madhya Pradesh 8,756 total COVID cases and recovered cases are 25,414. In Maharashtra, total COVID cases 1,42,458 and recovered cases are 2,99,356. In Tamil Nadu, total COVID cases 55,152, recovered cases are 2,08,784. In Andhra Pradesh, total COVID cases 79,104 and recovered cases are 95,625. In Karnataka, total COVID cases 73,854 and recovered cases are 69,272. In Delhi, total COVID cases 9,897 and recovered cases are 1,25,226. Now, today's headlines are: Bhumi Pujan for the construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya at 12:30 p.m. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to lay the foundation of his tomb. A slew the development measure over the past 1 year marked the first anniversary of the creation and Union Territory of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Polling begins for the parliament election in the Sri Lanka. At least 70% killed and more than 4,000 injured by the huge explosion of the Lepsana capital, Beirut. Vaishnav Devi Yatra to resume from the 16th August as the Jammu and Kashmir government decide to open a religious place. COVID-19 recovery rate improved to 63.33%. Now news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be the participant in the Bhumi Pujan function for the construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya. He will be unveiled and the flag for the mark of the laying the foundation stone and also release the poster stamp on the Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir. The Bhumi Pujan ceremony will be start at 12:30 p.m. and the culminate for the 12:45 p.m. Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Trust Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath have the appeal to the Ram Bhakt across the world to originate the bhajan and the kirtan and prasad distribution in the village and cities while taking the necessary precaution to prevent the spread of the corona. After the appeal of the Chief Minister and the trust, the people of the state enlightening the earthen lamp at the houses and a special Deep Utsav is being organized in the Ayodhya in the lane of Ayodhya and the ghat of the holy earthen lamps. Beautiful rangolis along with the special gates, colorful streets and depicting for the Saga and the Ramayana are ready to the welcome the Prime Minister. People are the lighting diyas in their houses and are in the festive moods. In Chhattisgarh, people are very excited about the Bhumi Pujan of the Ram Temple to held the Ayodhya today, as this the region of the considered as a maternal home in the Lord Ram, and there are an atmosphere of the joy in the whole state as Lord Ram the belief to have they spent a long time in a religion during his exile. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has asked the temples in the state to organize a special puja and the darshans today for the conceal the Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Temple Bhumi Pujan in Ayodhya. The Hindu religious institution and the charitable endowment department has issued an order asked to the temple priestess and organize the puja for the success of the Bhumi Pujan. Unhindered the complications of the Ram Temple and for the well-being of all the citizens in the state. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edapadi Palaniswamy has congratulated the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the schedule laying the foundation stone for the Ram Mandir at Ayodhya. In a statement in Chennai last evening, he said the historical apex court ruling the Ayodhya issue has the paved way for the construction of temple embelling. A total over the 44 lakhs tons food grains has been lifted by the state and union territory till the date under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana 2, and the Consumer Affairs Ministry said a total of the 201 lakhs tons of the food grain will be distributed among the 81 crores beneficiaries under the scheme. A total 12 lakhs tons chana will be also distributed among the 19 crore families, and PMGKAY2 has been started from the 1st July and it will be continued till the November this year. The ministry says the total over the 759 lakh ton food grain stock available with the Food Corporation of India. A slew the development measure over the past the year mark of the first year anniversary of the creation and union territory of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Development is taking place at a rapid speed in the Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. In the runner-up of the 74th Independence Day, the celebration will bring the youth today for a special story about the development and the education sector in country. The government has the several steps to the provide the quality and accessible education and build for the robust education infrastructure in the country during the last 6 years. Exclusively speaking in an interview, the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal said that the radical change in every field of the education have been done in the last 6 years. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be also congratulate all the brilliant youngsters who have successfully created the Civil Services Examination 2019 and extending for the best wishes. Mr. Modi said the exciting and the satisfying the career of the public service awaits them. The Indian Army for the Hicks started for the process to the Grand Permanent Commission of the Eligible Women's Officer nearly the 2 weeks after the Defence Minister approved the proposal. It has as the woman officer is applied for the Permanent Commission by the 31st August this year. The COVID-19 recovery cases are now the double of the active cases in the country. Currently, the recovery cases are over the 30 lakhs. With this, and the recovery rate have gone up and the impressive 66.30%. The fatality rate is also lowest at 2.10% since the first lockdown. Gujarat recorded 1,020 new cases COVID-19 yesterday. In Gujarat, 898 COVID patients have been discharged from the various hospitals after the recovery during the last 24 hours. Having the recovery rate has further improved to the 73.60%. In Madhya Pradesh, 413 mask bank have been the set up for the under the Ek Mask Anek Zindagi campaign aimed for the protecting the citizen from the corona infection. Our correspondents report these the mask bank have been set up for the help the voluntary organization, public representatives and the citizen. Vaishno Devi Yatra will be resumed on the 16th August after the Jammu and Kashmir government decide to open the religious place in Union Territory. Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board announced the resumption of the privilege almost 4 months after it was suspended because of the coronavirus pandemic. Jammu and Kashmir government has decided to open the religious place across the Union Territory from the 16th of this month, a day after Independence Day celebration. You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 5th August 2020. Same bulletin will be telecast on 6th August 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको बताते हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को आपको किस तरह सब्सक्राइब करना है। समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप सबसे पहले ब्राउज़र खोलिए, या तो आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, यूट्यूब को खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च करिए, सर्च बटन पर टाइप कीजिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। जैसे ही आप ये करते हैं ये आपके सामने खुल जाएगा। इसके खुलने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर साई SAI आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है। लाल रंग का जो बटन आपको ये दिख रहा है लाल रंग का, इसको आप क्लिक करिएगा। जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करते हैं इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। इसके बाद दाएं कोने पर जाइए, दाएं कोने पर ऑल पर्सनलाइज नन, इसमें आप ऑल को क्लिक कर दीजिए। जैसे ही आप ऑल पर्सनलाइज बटन को प्रेस करेंगे, ऑल बटन दबाएं। जैसे ही आप ऑल बटन दबाते हैं आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं। इसके बाद आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन आपको लाल नहीं दिखाई देगा। आप सब्सक्राइब समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साइन न्यूज़ या समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करते जैसे ही आप करेंगे, उसके बाद समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया और साइन न्यूज़ पर जैसे जैसे वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे वैसे ही बिना देर के आपको ये सारे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आने चालू हो जाएंगे। आप समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की सारे वीडियोस देख सकेंगे। आप इसका लाभ ज़रूर उठाइए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और दोस्तों को कहिए वे भी सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करिए, शेयर